Hi, this is Ben, and I'm looking at the Skull Arena Lego set. This is set 21145, and it is pretty cool structure. This is a really cool design of the skull battle area here. The skull is made up of some potions and a skull-shaped structure. So this set features 2 players, sort of a good guy and a bad guy. Each have their own different skins, and they're each sporting their own weapons, an axe and a sword. There's a lot of lava pieces that come with this, as well as a green and a blue podium for each of the players who are in the battle. Here is a golden apple. This comes with a cute little bunny that's an evil bunny with red eyes. There's also some spoils up here in the treasure chest. The skull structure here does have a slime missile that can be shot out from the back here. It's not spring-loaded, so it just slips in and then is pushed out by this rod here, by this axle. It's a really smart build. It's really fun and it's cool looking to have on display. You can combine this with other sets to expand the scene, or just play with it as a standalone set. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.